Hi, my name is Gaille. I'm a Looker Studio expert and the founder of Gaille Reports. When you work with ads, probably you run some experiments and you want to present these experiments to your boss, your client, or even just check it by yourself. And I have ad experiments results overview. That's dashboard that I created for some A/B testing, and we can observe this template. Yeah, let's start as I usually start. I can make it a bit bigger. If I go to resources, manage, edit data sources, I can see that this dashboard based on Google Sheets, and we have 3 data sources and we have 3 tables. Let's observe dashboard first and then we can move to Google Sheets. So first table is about Facebook ads creative. Here we have filter to select different experiments. Here we have experiment name, start dates, end date, and campaign name that took part in this experiment. Here we have ad set. Here is one ad set, different ad names, and we have some costs, reach, impressions, and other metrics that we can compare. And we can see that ad name 11 shows much better CTR, less CPC. So probably this option is the best, but I can say you for sure because we need to do p-value test to make sense that the result of this experiment are significant. And we have some charts here. Charts basically visualize this table, and we can see that ad number 11 shows much better result if we talk about some CTR and about CTR. But if we talk about cost, we spend a bit less money for this ad. We can check other experiment. This random data would look a bit different, a bit weird, but anyway. So I change it and my data is changed here. We can compare different creatives. Second page talks about landing page experiment, and here we used Google Ads data for base. Again, we have filter where we can change our experiment name. Same logic, we have table where we have already different metrics. We have cost sessions, and we can compare conversion rate and cost per conversion. And here we can change optional metrics to others. Looks like original one and landing page 3 we don't have the same results, but we can say that landing page 2 is not has less results. Again, please calculate p-value before you say that result of this experiment is significant and you can trust this result. And here we have 2 charts where we can see that median is the same and the conversion rate for landing page 2 is less, but for landing page 3 we had less sessions. Here we had more sessions, so probably we should continue this experiment and spend more money and time for that. And for other experiment, for example, we have different picture and we can change metrics here. And third page, when you do experiment with ad copy, here I have only one. I didn't add more test data, but anyway, here we have experiment name, blah blah, same logic here. And here we have table and charts. But here we can select what do you want to show. You want to see text only. And in this case, in table, you will see same metrics, but you check different types of text. Or you can see your CTR cost per action. And you can see that different type of ads, which kind of cost per action was better, worked better. And here you have detailed charts for headline, for text, descriptions, and cost per action. I think this dashboard covers some typical cases. and it's really easy to read this dashboard. Let's check the data source that we have. Oh, sorry. No, I don't want this one. I just want to click find. Yeah, just wanted to open these Google Sheets. Google Sheets contains several pages, actually quite a lot. When you buy this dashboard, you will have a page where it's instructions. Here we have some my test. It's not mine. It's experiment settings. So here you can set up date start, date end, campaign, your KPIs. So you can set up your experiments. This is Facebook ads data. I pull it via Supermetrics. I mean, this is random data, but for real case, I pull it via Supermetrics. You can use other add-on to pull data automatically, or you can copy this data manually from Facebook ads account. Facebook ads query 2. This is for second Facebook ads experiment. Here we have several tables. Again, I pull this data via Supermetrics. You can do it manually. So all yellow fields you change to your real data. And this is Google Analytics data, G4, where we have a campaign ID, campaign name, event, events, and some Google Ads data, where we have campaign ID and ad cost. And based on all these three tabs, Facebook and Google, I create tabs for Looker Studio. This tabs ls, it means that Looker Studio, and these tabs we connect to Looker Studio. That is it. Actually, so quite easy to stop. You change yellow columns for your real data, and you have this nice dashboard with experiment results. Let me know which kind of A/B testing and experiments do you run. Do you run some experiment like that, or maybe you do some specific one? It's really interesting to hear, and hope you like this dashboard, and see you soon.